Moving on from the 22-foot growing dome, we have the 26-foot growing dome. This has historically been our best seller. With 550 square feet of growing space, there's plenty of room to grow enough food for 5 to 7 people, while still having a little hangout space in there, enough room for a table or a chair, or a couple of them. Our center point of this dome is 12 feet 7 inches high, and this dome does come standard with 4 vents, as well as a hybrid solar fan. You do have the option of adding an additional hybrid solar fan or an additional vent. You can also replace the 2 upper vents with an attic fan if you live in a particularly windy climate. All of our domes come standard with some type of automated ventilation, whether that be the vents or the fans or a combination of both. The vents operate using a temperature-controlled beeswax piston that opens and closes around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, while the thermostatically controlled vents can be set to whatever temperature you would like them to turn on at and then turn off at. We also include an aluminate shade cloth with every dome kit, and this helps to provide a little bit of shade to your dome and to keep your dome a little bit cooler. The domes are on average about 20 to 30 degrees warmer than your outside ambient temperatures. This pond is approximately 1,050 gallons, and we also have added the solar water feature. You can utilize this space for more than just the thermal battery of your growing dome. This acts as its own ecosystem. So we have goldfish in here and plenty of plants. Keeping your surface of your pond covered at least 60% with vegetation is going to help prevent any algae buildup. Quick note, this tape is not standard for our growing dome kits. This is a tape we were testing for research and development purposes, but your dome will come with a clear aircraft tape.